Namaste students. In this video we are going to learn to find least common multiple of 108, 144 by division method. Least common multiple means we should know that it is the smallest. Common means it has to be a multiple of both the numbers, which means they are asking you to find smallest common multiple of these two numbers by division method. So to find with this division method, we will write 108 and 144 like this, and we will draw the straight line with scale, and we will draw the line at and here also. We need to choose the prime factors which divides these two given numbers, starting from the smallest prime to largest primes. And once we chosen the prime, we will write it in here. We will divide these numbers by choosing that number. If it not divides any one of this number, we will write that number as it is at in here. So let's begin how to choose. So first prime is a 2. First prime is 2. We know that this 108 also exactly divisible by 2. 144 also exactly divisible by 2. We chosen 2. If any one number also divisible by this 2, we need to choose that 2. Here both the numbers are divisible by 2. We chosen 2. If one also, we will choose the 2. Okay. Now we chosen 2. We will divide this 108 by 2. We know that first number is smaller than 2, which means we need to take 2 zeros. 0 don't have a value, therefore I skipped this 0. Together we took 2 digits at a time. It forms the number 10. 2 5s are 10. 5 I wrote. 10 minus 10, we got the remainder as 0. Next digit is 8. 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 8, again 0. Total quotient, we got it as 54. Next we will divide this 144 by 2. First number is smaller, therefore we took both the digits at a time. It forms the 14. 2 7s are 7 I wrote. 14. 14 minus 14, 0. Next digit is 4. We know that 2 2s are 4. Full quotient we got as the 72. When we divided this 144 by 2, we divided both the numbers. Now look at this number. We got the quotient. One quotient we got it as 54. Second we got it as 72. We need to divide these two numbers until we will get the number 1 as the quotient. We know that both the numbers are even number. Both the numbers are divisible by 2. We chosen 2. Now we will divide this 54 by 2. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4, we got remainder 1. 1 and 4 forms the number 14. 2 7s are 14. Full quotient we got it as 27. Now we will divide this 72. 2 3s are we took, it is 6. 7 minus 6, again we got remainder as 1. 1 and 2 forms the number 12. 2 6s are 12. Full quotient we got it as 36. Now again, if you look at this number, we got one quotient as a 27, another quotient we got it as 36. Again we need to begin from the smallest prime. Smallest prime is 2. Is this 2 divides this 27 exactly? If we apply the divisibility test for 2, it's not divisible by 2. So next number is 36. 36 is divisible by 2. So therefore I chosen 2 at n here. You need to remember at n this, if any one number also divisible by the first prime or the second prime, whatever it is there, so we need to finish that all the things, then only we need to go for the next prime. Here first prime only divides this 36, therefore I chosen the first prime. When it is both the numbers, when both the given numbers not divisible by first prime, then only we will go for the next prime. So it is 36 is divisible by first prime, we chosen 2. We this 27 is not divisible by 2, we write 27 as it is. We'll divide this 36 by 2. 2 ones are we took, it is 2, 3 minus 2, 1 remainder, 1 and 6, 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 16 minus 16, we got the remainder 0, full quotient we got it as 18. Next, if you look at this, again this is a odd number not divisible by 2, but 18 is a even number, it is divisible by 2, we chosen 2. 27 we wrote as it is. We know that 18, 2 9s are 18, directly we wrote 9s are. Now we got two numbers at an here, one as the 27, another one as the 9. First prime is 2. Both the numbers are not divisible by first primes, so now we skipped this 2. Next prime is 3. Apply the divisibility test, or you just simply seeing the number you can tell that both the numbers are divisible by 3, therefore I chosen 3. So 3 we took, okay. Divide 27 by 3, we know that directly we can write 9s are, this is 9 you divide by 3, we got the quotient as directly as a 3. Now again if start applying the divisibility test of a 2 to these two quotients. These two quotients are odd number, again it's not divisible by first prime, skip it. Next prime is 3, both the numbers are divisible by 3, we chosen 3 at n here. Divide these quotients by 3, so 3 3s are 9, 3 I wrote, 3 1s are 3, 1 we wrote. This we got this 3, 3 is a prime number, we know that it is only divisible by 3, we chosen 3. If we divide this 3, we get 1 as a quotient. 1 is not divisible by 3, we write 1 as it is. So here we got 1 and 1. When we will get 1 and 1, we need to stop to get prime numbers of given numbers. So here we got prime numbers as 2 4 times, 3 3 times. So now next step is we need to find the product of these primes. So we wrote all the prime numbers. 2 came 4 times, we wrote 2 4 times. 3 came 3 times, we wrote 3 3 times. So product of this, 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16, 16 I wrote. Then 16 into 3 48, 6. Then 3 into 3 we wrote 9. Now we will multiply this 48 by 9. 9 8s are 72, 2 into here 7 as the carry, 9 4s are 36, 36 plus 7 43. Total we got how much? 432 as the LCM of 108 and 144.